Good morning everyone, my name is UTTAM and I am from Assam and I have done my graduation in BCom Accounts. I joined Qspider at the year of 2024 Feb and after 14 months. And I want to say about Qspider that when I joined the Qspider, I was fresher and I didn't know any experience about technical skills and all. And for that, Qspider faculties has helped me, and I want to thank all the other people in this Qspider also, such as all the faculties, all the trackers, all the counselor and HR. And I joined Qspider with a package of 1.8 CTC, and for the initial 2 months, they say that they will give 8K per month.